Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Striking Vista. Today we will see my most favorite place in London, which is the Buckingham Palace in the Green Park area of central London. This is the place where the Queen and the royal family lives for most of the year. The palace was built in 1850 and is located in the city of Westminster in central London. It is just a 5 minutes walk from the Green Park area from the Green Park tube station, and the entire area is very lively. The palace has 700 plus majestic rooms, many offices, the staff rooms, 19 staterooms, and also the largest private garden in London. It is open for public for 2 months in summer, that is from mid-June to mid-August. I personally like this place and its surroundings very much, and I have visited it a number of times. The place is perfect, and the place is perfect for those who love to photograph, admire the architecture, and in general to view the majestic place from outside and inside. There are many tour options to choose from to visit this place when it is open for public in the summer months. We chose to visit the 19 staterooms, which is really worth visiting. The artwork and the beautiful interior of this palace is really amazing. However, please note that photography is not allowed inside the palace for obvious reasons. Once the ticket is purchased, it is valid for the next 1 year. I must say that the tour ticket price is a bit costly, but all the major tourist attractions in London are costly, so it is no exception. The garden outside the palace is really beautiful with many beautiful flowers. It's all very well planted and decorated, as you can see here in this video. There are many other tourist attractions nearby this place, and you can spend around half a day to visit the palace and its surrounding area. You can also choose to relax here in the nearby garden area, which is full of different very well planted massive trees. If you are lucky, you can also get to see the royal parade, which normally happens on the Sunday mid-morning. On one of our visits here, it was a week before the Queen's birthday, and we got to see the massive royal parade, which was just awesome. The outside statues, Victoria Memorial, lovely water fountains, the beautiful garden, and the surrounding calm and quiet area really makes it an amazing place to visit. So enjoy the stunningly beautiful Buckingham Palace here in this video, and let me know how you find it in the comment section. By the way, do subscribe to my channel Striking Vista if you like the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day ahead.